Welcome back to Math 171, Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to talk about the general form of the equation of a line, then use that to find x and y-intercepts and graph the line. So the general form of an equation of a line is going to be of the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. And our textbook does not put any restrictions as to what a, b, and c have to be. So if we're given an equation, so let me go with 4x plus 3y minus 6 equals 0. I want to find the x-intercept of that line. To do that, I'm going to set y equal to 0. So I get 4x plus 3 times 0 minus 6 equals 0. Well, 3 times 0 just goes away. So I get 4x minus 6 equals 0. Add 6 to both sides. Get 4x equals 6. And then divide both sides by 4. And with some cancellation, I get x equals 3/2. I can do the same thing for the y-intercept. So for the y-intercept, I'm going to set x equal to 0. So 4 times 0 plus 3y minus 6 equals 0. 4 times 0 is 0, so I'm left with 3y minus 6 equals 0. Add 6 to both sides, and then divide both sides by 3. So we get the y-intercept is 2. So now remember, that gives us the points negative 3/2, 0, and then 0, 2. Sorry, that's not negative 3/2, 0, that's 3/2, 0. So now I can go ahead and put my coordinate plane together. So I need a point at 0, 2, and I need a point at 3/2, 0. And then just draw a line through those points, and that's going to be the graph of the line. So that concludes this video. In the next video, we're going to move on to section 1.5 of our textbook and talk about parallel lines.